Hi everybody, this is Debbie from Stamp On It. This is a product preview video and it focuses on our Cut and Create 12 card kit potted Christmas tree. This kit makes 12 projects and I'm just going to go through it and just briefly show you what's in the kit and how to work with it, or an idea of what you can do with it. You can always add your own creativity, but how the kit is designed. So let's get started. First of all, as I said, is a cut and create. That means that, and I'm going to move these samples aside here for a minute and we'll go back to these. That means that it is a kit all-inclusive. You add your own adhesive and any other complementary accessories to embellish, and those are always on our website below the product listing as suggested or related products. But I also try to put links right into the description of this product on our website. So in this kit, you have 4 sheets, of print. This is on 80-pound ultra smooth cream cardstock. And this particular kit is using our Artful Stamper AS 1543 design. So they are on your cardstock already permanent print. So you can do some light watercoloring, you can do blending, things like that to color these. And in your instructions, which we always have in the kits, on this particular kit is a diagram showing you where to cut these so that you come out with 12, can't count today, 12 layers for the front of your card. Now, backing up here, this is a kit that is a Slimline card. Slimline is fairly new right now, depending on when you're watching this video, but right now it is. Slimline is a really cool new design of a card, and they have matching or coordinating Slimline envelopes. So they tuck very nicely right into that envelope. All right. Folded, they are 3.5 by 7.5, I believe. 8.5, sorry. They are 3.5 by 8.5. So these layers you will cut according to the diagram in your kit. It's very clear what cut lines to make to get the layers that will go right onto the top of this card. All right. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut up your sheets to get your 12 layers. All right, go according to the cut lines. Once you have that cut, you're going to color your images. Now, we colored ours with Tombow markers. It's one of our favorite coloring mediums, but you can certainly color with Copics, Snores, glitter pens, gel pens, whatever you want, because this is on ultra smooth cardstock. And it is permanent, so you can also blend. Now, if you want to really control your color when you go to this cardstock, use a palette for your color first. We use a piece of our scrap glitter film, but any non-porous surface works great for a palette. And put your color from your marker onto your palette first, and then pick up your color with a blender pen. Our blender pen of choice is either the Tombow blender or the Dove blender. Either one of those works nicely with water-based blenders, and you will find those on our website also. Color your image however you want it to be done. All right. Once you have it colored, you are going to mount that to the front of your card. Now, your card is, as I said, a Slimline card, pre-scored. Pre-scored is great. All you do is fold and crease. So take your card. The score line has a ridge to it and a valley. As Sharon always says, you fold over the mountain. The ridge is your mountain, so fold over your mountain. Set these aside so I don't score those too, or crease those. And burnish it with, if you have a bone folder. Bone folders work great to make those nice clean creases. They are on our website if you need one. All right, now you're going to take your colored layer, and I don't have one that's not attached to my card. I apologize for that, but your colored layer, and adhere it to the front of your card. Very easy. Put your adhesive of choice on the back side of the layer that you colored and adhere it down. Now, keep in mind, if you want to put words at the top or the bottom, you need to layer that accordingly. So Just pay attention to that when you're putting your layer onto the front of your card, and then you're going to add your greeting of choice and your stickers to embellish. Now, backing up again, some people like to embellish their layer, this colored layer, before they put it on the front of their card. I prefer to do it after, but a lot of people like to do it before. That is personal choice, and there's really no right or wrong way. So embellish your layer or your card front. And it doesn't have to be only on the layer either. You could put your borders, if you wanted to, on top of your card around the outside edge. So be creative. In your kit will be 3 sheets, borders, corners, and embellishment corners. And also you will have your greetings. This particular kit has DD 2719, Peace on Earth, Christmas Blessings, Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas, Glad Tidings. Just a really nice sheet, and it has plenty of them to create your 12 projects. You can keep your extras for later or to recreate this if you want to just order the stock to do it on. We do have that on our website also, so check that out. Once you've got that done, now you can, if you wish, embellish with the crystal glitter that is in your kit. We put a sampler packet in your kit for you. Our crystal glitter is ultra fine and it is crystal clear. And that means that there is no color of its own in the packet. So if you have already colored your layer, when you add glitter, and I did take the liberty to add glitter to this particular one, it will just shimmer the color that is behind it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this on camera or not, but I just added a little glitter to the angel, the star, this tree topper, and then some of the garland and stuff that are on the trees, just to add a little enhancement. This one we did not, and I don't know if you can see that difference, but if you can, that's great. But when you do it yourself, I'm telling you that this crystal clear glitter, and we do sell that separately, but you will have plenty in your kit to embellish your trees for your 12 projects. The adhesive you can use, there's various ones that we suggest. One is the Quickie Glue Pen, because in this type of a situation you don't need a lot. However, the Quickie Glue Pen has its limitations as far as holding the glitter. If you want it to be a little bit more dimensional, like this one I have here, you can actually feel the glitter and it will not rub off. I used our dimensional glittering glue, and I already put the bottle away, but it's on our website. It is a related product below this product on the page. Glittering glue, or one of my favorites, crystal lacquer. Has a micro tip in it that is great for putting on adhesive in detail fashion. And a lot of times less is more. When you are putting on glitter, always go on the less side first. You can always add more. Yeah, it's really hard to take it away. All right, those are the adhesives of choice: Quickie Glue Pen, glittering glue, or crystal lacquer. After you're done, you can clean it up with our anti-static brush. These are great, made out of goat's hair. Nothing sticks to them. So you can just brush off any excess glitter that's hanging around, and what is left will stay. It will not rub off, especially if you use crystal lacquer or the glittering glue. All right. The other thing you could do with this kit, and it is listed as a related or possible product, is you could pop this layer up with foam tape for a little dimensional look. I love dimension. And I dropped one of my packages on the floor. We have several different types of foam tape on our website. Check it out. But this one comes with the 3 different sizes. This is one size. You can cut these in half this way very easily. It doesn't stick to your scissors, so don't get all crazy over that, because I know there are some foam tapes out there that are terrible to cut, but these you can easily cut. But this one you don't need to, because it's already in your 3 widths. So those are nice to add dimension if you want to your project. All right. We also have a lot of other outline stickers on the site if you would like to have something else added to your card. So you can always pick those out when you order the kit if you are interested. So this has been a product preview, Potted Christmas Tree Cut and Create 12 card kit. We appreciate you listening, and have a great day.